Aloha everybody, Tracie here. How's it? It's me teaching you Hawaiian and my good buddy Roke. For our first lesson, we learned the Woela, Maikaʻi. For this lesson, we are going to learn Koneka. We're still on the piʻapa, the alphabets in Hawaiian, but we're going to learn 7 ʻEhiku Koneka. There are actually 8 Koneka, but I'm only going to teach you 7 for today. So if you want to learn number 8, you gotta stay tuned. Come back, see me. Come back, see Tracie. Okay? All right. I'm going to teach you how many today? ʻEhiku, 7. Maikaʻi. So in English, this first letter, this first leka is H, right? But in Hawaiian, it's he. E hoʻopili mai, he. Good, Maikaʻi. Next one, ke. E hoʻopili mai, ke. La. E hoʻopili mai, la. Maikaʻi. Good. Mu. E hoʻopili mai, mu. Nu. E hoʻopili mai, nu. Pi. E hoʻopili mai, pi. And last one for today, ve. E hoʻopili mai, ve. You can either say ve or you can say we. It's either that harder sound, ve, it sounds like a V, or that softer sound, we, Maikaʻi. So let's practice that. E hoʻomaʻamaʻa. Makokau? Ai. He, ke, la, mu, nu, pi, and ve. Maikaʻi. Your Haʻawina for today, your homework, practice it quickly and practice those letters slowly. He, ke, la, mu, nu, pi, ve. And he, ke, la, mu, nu, pi, ve. Maikaʻi. Good. If you have any questions, leave it down below. Next week, I have a video for my patrons, but I'll see you guys back here in a couple weeks. Again, mahalo, thanks for stopping by, and aloha.